You're searching for happiness where it never existed. You're trying to fix your life by polishing the mirror instead of seeing the face behind it. Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahman. I am the infinite, not weak, not incomplete, not broken. You were whole before the world convinced you otherwise. But listen carefully. Advaita is not telling you to escape life. It is telling you to live it from truth, not illusion. Yes, chase goals, but not to become someone. Chase them because your nature is to expand, to create, to express the divinity within you. The Chandogya Upanishad said it thousands of years ago. Tattvamasi, Tattvam Asi. You are that. The same consciousness that births stars and galaxies beats your heart this very second. So why do you fear failure? Why do you crumble at others' opinions? Why do you believe you are less than anyone when the infinite is your core? How can you be small? Here's the part that the modern world desperately needs to hear. Spirituality isn't about running away to mountains or chanting all day. It's about remembering who you are even while living in chaos. True strength isn't loud. It's silent, unshakable awareness of your own self. When you know the truth of who you are, something shifts inside you. You stop chasing validation. You stop competing from insecurity. You stop begging life to treat you better because you finally realize life cannot give you what you already are. You don't become worthy. You realize it, but don't get this twisted. Realization is not an excuse for laziness. Vedanta teaches non-attachment, not irresponsibility. You still do the work, you still grow, you still rise, but with clarity instead of anxiety. Work not because you lack, work because it is your dharma to express your highest potential. And if you need one line to carry with you for life, let it be this. You are not a drop struggling to survive in the ocean. You are the ocean, temporarily experiencing itself as a drop. Remember who you are. Then live like it.